Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add affiliate products and links to your Wix website. So let's get started. So in here, you can see my Wix website editor. So in order to add an affiliate link, just click on this add elements right here. So from in here, what you can do is you can search in here for feature. So let's click on search right here and let's search for feature. And once in here, you will be able to see this repeaters right here. It is under the list and repeaters. So let's actually use those repeaters. So you can choose what kind of repeater you want. So totally depends on you what you want to use on your project. So in here, can you also use hover repeaters or actual just repeaters. So it totally depends on you. So for me, I will just choose a specific type of repeater for this one. So for this, I will just choose this repeater right here. So from here, just hold this and then drag this on your actual website. So let me just attach this to a section. So in here, it will actually drag and then push it in here. So you could also resize it if you want, and if you think that this is actually very big for your website. So you can resize it if you want, or you can also just adjust your website for this specific. So once you have done this thing right here, you should be able to see your features in here. So what you can do is you can actually just click on the specific repeater. You can change the background, manage the items in there. But what you can do is click on the manage and items. And then you can see you have item 1, item 2, item 3 for that. So in here, the next thing you can do is you can display in here the products that you have. So for example, I have a cake product, coffee product, and all these things right here. You can just click on this add elements again, and then click on button. And then let's just choose the button for shopping. So let's put this shop right here. So let's drag this element in here. And just like that, it will be added. Now on the specific element, just click on this link right here. And on the link right here, just click on this web address. Under here, just put in the affiliate link that you have in here. And once you have done that, just click on done. That way, when the people click on the specific button on your repeater product page, you should be able to redirect them to the affiliate product link that you are actually affiliated with. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add affiliate links to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.